Cleaning at home during the holidays. Planning to clean the bathroom today. Clear everything out. Rinse it with water first. Start scrubbing. No technique, just pure effort. Scrub the shower too. It has accumulated a lot of yellow stains and is already hard to clean. Give my cleaning partner a bath. It's visibly dirty. Brute force works wonders. Use a scouring pad to wipe away the limescale. Switch to a crevice brush to better reach the corners. It's clean, and my mood has improved along with it. Wipe away the water.